What's up, guys? Today I thought that I'd do a little something different and bring to you a recipe that you can make on fight night. So today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chicken wings. Alright, air fryers are big in the scene right now, and I love chicken wings, so that's what I'm going to do. So today what you're going to need is some party wings or wings that you have broken down. You are also going to need some sea salt and black pepper. You're going to need some vegetable oil, and then for your sauce, you're going to need your favorite hot sauce, brown sugar, and some butter. Oh, and then you're actually going to need an air fryer as well. I'm using the Power Air Fryer XL that my grandparents got me. First thing that you're going to do is, with your broken down wings, you're going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then after that, you're going to add your sea salt and your black pepper. Here's just a quick pour, as you see. Shake, shake, shake. Then you're going to add your black pepper. And once you have your black pepper and all that good stuff put in there, you are going to mix, mix, mix. Mix everything together until it is evenly combined, the oil's distributed through everything, and then you're going to plastic wrap it up, and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for probably an hour up to 4 hours. It's a long plastic wrap scene. My bad. Make sure that you press down on that plastic wrap. You don't have to, but yeah, I thought that you could. Pop it in the refrigerator. Then while it's marinating or sitting in the oil, salt, and pepper, you're going to make your hot sauce or your buffalo sauce. You're going to do about 4 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You're going to pop that into the microwave. Use what you got. If you don't want a huge mess, you should probably cover up the top, which I did. You're going to pop it in there for about 1 minute. I decided that 1 minute wasn't enough, so I'm going to do it for 2 minutes. Then once you take it out, it should look a little bit like this, like starting to make a caramel. Once you take it out, you're going to put in about 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Louisiana because that's what I had in my refrigerator, and it's a really good hot sauce. You're going to mix, mix, mix. Then you're going to pop that back into the oven for about, I believe, 2 minutes. So all in all, the brown sugar and butter will have been in there for about 4 minutes. Your hot sauce is going to be in there for 2 minutes. Take it out. Should look like that. Stir it. And then you take out your chicken wings from the refrigerator. They should be evenly salted and peppered. Then you're going to pop them into the air fryer basket. And yeah, we'll hop into the next scene here in a second. Oh, look at that. Now they're in the air fryer basket. You're going to throw it into your air fryer. And where we're going to put it at is, there is a French fry mode actually. And I like using the French fry mode or 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. At about 10 minutes, we're going to look at our chicken wings. We're going to give them a nice little shake. And then once we're done shaking them, shake what your mama gave you. Then you're going to throw them back into the air fryer for the last 10 minutes. Ooh, there we go. Now, while my chicken wings were in the air fryer, I decided to put the buffalo sauce in a little squirt bottle to make it better and easier to distribute. And then I checked it at about 20 minutes. I decided that they need about 5 more minutes. So all in all, total cook time will be about 25 minutes. Take them out when they're golden brown. Look at those bad boys right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to throw them from the air fryer into the bowl. You're going to squirt on your buffalo sauce, which I'm going to do dramatically right here. Boom. Look at that. Sauce it up. Then what you're going to do after that is you're going to toss these with your tongs. Ooh, little fast motion right there. And then you're going to put the buffalo wings back into the air fryer. You'll see that here in like, oh, there we go, right now. You're going to pop them back into the air fryer. And you're going to put those on the French fry mode for about 5 more minutes. Oh, I put 4. Take them out. They should look really nice. The sauce should be a little caramelized on there. And then we're going to plate these bad boys up. So I just did a nice little, cute little plating. I like putting a little bit more additional sauce on top, as you can see by this dramatic drizzle that's about to happen. Boom. And yeah, there are your air fryer buffalo wings. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody for watching.
Enjoy the fight.